Feeling overwhelmed by the Retell Lecture section of the PTE? Don't worry. In the next minute and a half, we'll transform you from a PTE Retell Lecture rookie into a confident pro. We'll break down the entire process into manageable steps. First, active listening is key. As you listen to the lecture, focus on identifying the main idea. What's the speaker trying to convey? Next, jot down concise notes. Don't try to transcribe everything. Focus on keywords and phrases that support the central theme. Think of it as creating a mini mind map in real time. A great way to write notes is by writing keywords after listening. Make the link between your keywords. Compare the good and bad examples on screen. See how the good example uses single words. Now, let's structure your response. Start with a clear introductory sentence that summarizes the lecture's main point. A simple sentence like, "The lecture was about," followed by the main topic, works perfectly. Then, expand on the main idea using your supporting notes. Connect your keywords to form complete sentences. Aim for a clear, logical flow. Don't just list your notes. Tell a story based on them. Remember fluency. Speak at a natural pace and try to avoid long pauses. Practice makes perfect. Record yourself retelling lectures and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Make sure to practice and improve with our video. Master these techniques, and you'll confidently tackle the Retell Lecture section. Good luck, and remember to subscribe for more PTE tips and tricks.